Tired of seeing those annoying blanks and null values messing up your beautiful Tableau dashboards? First, let's try the simplest method, filtering. Drag the dimension or measure containing nulls to the filters shelf. In the filter dialog box, go to the General tab here. You'll see all the values in your fields, including null. Simply uncheck the null checkbox. This will exclude all rows where that field has a null value from your visualization. Click OK, and watch those blanks disappear. Now, let's explore calculated fields. Sometimes you don't want to exclude nulls, but replace them with a meaningful value, like 0 or the average. Right-click in the data pane and select Create Calculated Field. In the calculation editor, use the ifNull function. The syntax is simple. ifNull your field replacement value. For example, ifNull sales, 0 will replace any null values in the sales field with 0. Give your new field a name, and click OK. Now, use this newly created calculated field in your visualization instead of the original field. You will notice that the null values have been replaced. Finally, consider data blending. If the nulls exist in one data source but not another, blending can help make sure you have a common field to blend on. Go to Data, then Edit Relationships. Define a relationship between your two data sources using the common field. Tableau will then align the data based on this relationship, and depending on your join type, you can choose whether to include or exclude rows with nulls. These techniques will help you tackle null values hidden, ensuring your Tableau dashboards are accurate and insightful.